coming up in today's video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Homebody Alicia. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. So on my last video, if you guys have not had the chance to see that, I will link it here below. But I was telling you guys that I'm going to remodel my table that I have in my dining room. Also, I have a few different decor things that I need to pick up. Right now, Hobby Lobby is having a 50% off sale, so I'm definitely making that part of my errands that I have to do today before I go to work. My kids, I just dropped them off at school, so yeah, I do have a few things to do, and we're gonna start with Hobby Lobby. So I'll take you guys in there and let's see what's the sale. I'm too excited because before I even came, I checked out the website and they had quite a few different things, from tabletop stuff, wreaths. They had all kind of different things, so let's go check it out.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you.
So I've gotten what I needed out of Hobby Lobby. I'm so happy I caught this sale. It's time to head back home, and once we get there, we're going to start on our porch revamp. Now, this is the current look of the porch. It's beyond overdue for a revamp. So I'm just going to take all these things off my porch, keep the home decor that I want to keep. We're going to get this nice and cleaned up, and as you guys can see, my husband, he's going to assist me in getting this porch together today. Pressure wash it, do all the things that we need to do to bring it to life. All right, let's get started.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you.
Okay, so we're all done with the cleaning, the pressure washing. So we've given the porch time to dry, even though it still looks extremely dirty. Believe it or not, it has been cleaned. So that's exactly why I decided to go ahead over it with some paint. As you guys can see, I'm using this gray paint, and I'll have the link below if you're interested in the color, because this need a revamp. All right, let's get back to the video.
You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough. baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
So as you guys see, I've been over the porch a few different times with this paint. I'm just making sure I cover all my bases, all the perimeters, just to make sure that everything is painted. This is so exciting because this porch really needed it. It was so many different splatters and so many different spills that was just on the porch from years and years prior. So it was so necessary to make sure to put this paint down. Now, as you guys see behind the actual walk space on our porch, that there's like these pavers that are along the wall. So what I'm going to do, I didn't get a chance to capture it here, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some new pavers, and I got those from Lowe's. I'll make sure I link it below, and I'm going to fill in those spots that are missing pavers, and also just to replace the old ones that are there that's been there for so long. All right, back to the video.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
So I found these nice porch chairs that's really going to set the porch off nice. I found them from my local store called Rose's. My son is helping me, as you guys can see here, and I'm just going to place these on the porch. And also, if you look behind the chairs, you can see the pavers. We've already picked up the pavers and we already laid them down. And look at my girls. My girls are enjoying the porch, and this is actually the look of it. Okay, I just have a few more touches I need to do. I bought a few different other things, like for the storage, to storage our hose in the front. And I'm going to clean this up really nice. I'm going to show you guys a few different looks. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and back to the video.
Always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars.
Okay, so we're almost at the end of the video, and I must say it's a nice sunny day here in Florida, and I'm so looking forward to the summer months. I love summer. who don't, right? So getting this porch done definitely kicks it off very well for me. If you guys love DIYs and home decor and anything home related, self-growth, motherhood, things of that sort, please let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you staying for the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart.